Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to talk about that word nobody likes to talk about when you build race cars, safety.
Oh my God.
So we're going to make a fire extinguisher mount to get a fire extinguisher in the chevelle. Normally I'm not too worried about this, but I got a lot of fuel system in this car for this turbo, so I figured let's be a little safe. I've had a few fires in cars just from random things breaking, and well, I beat the crap out of my cars. So we're going to see what we can do about getting some safety in it. I do have some at the house, just because I've caught myself on fire before, as I'm sure many of you have if you're watching this, and it hurts. So we're going to try not to do that again. I picked up a little 2-pounder. This is an ABC. Nope, this is a 2-pound Bravo Charlie fire extinguisher, and that should do enough to put out the immediate flames, hopefully, if I have anything catching here. Trying to figure out where I'm going to put this so that I can reach it, or if someone reaches in, they can reach it. And I kind of like this real estate here. See if I can't get me a little detachable mount thing, a little roll bar mounts where you pull the pin and take it out. But to do that, before I get to that spot, I need to make some sort of a metal base that's going to be solid, that if I'm in a wreck or something happens, or I'm just sliding around doing burnouts, that I'm solidly attached. So what do we got? Well, I happen to have a hole in my seat bracket here, so I might use that. I already got a bolt there. That's where my holster used to go. And I can capture off of that, maybe bring a piece of flat stock out here and have some sort of something here. And there's a bolt right here for the seatbelt bolt. So I'm thinking that 2 of those bolted down with some 1/4-inch plate, or 1/8 inch, or whatever I got over there in a scrap bin should work. So let's get to it. Okay, well, I took some measurements and consulted with the boss here, and I think that this is going to work out great. Capture the seatbelt bolt back here, and I'm going to have my other bracket welded on right about there, and it'll give me 2 points of contact, fairly strong. This is 1/8 inch, 3/4 or 1-inch bar. I don't know. It's 1/8 inch thick flat stock, and that's what this was also. So it should be more than enough to keep this attached, and then this mount, until I get something better, can go there. I ordered one of those aluminum quick disconnect jobs you can put on a roll cage or whatever, so whenever that gets here, it'll get attached there somehow, and we'll get this thing in there. Well, that was pretty simple. Got a hole drilled, got it in there. I just ran some 1/4-20 bolts to hold this to the plastic deal till I get the other piece on there. It's bolted to the front of the seat bracket. I mean, you can use this and pretty much capture wherever you want in your car. This is just what's easy for me. And throw this guy in there. Clip that in place. Maybe need 2 hands. Anyways, that's where that's going to live. And with the door closed, still got room. Alright, so I had to change my bolt location. I did have it up here, but when I was bringing the seat forward and back, it was kind of hitting, so I dropped it down to the actual seat mount bolt down here. Just bent this bracket down a little bit. And I got this quick release job on there. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Goes up, comes back, and then you got your extinguisher in there. It's pretty close over here, so you're going to have to have the door open to pull that pin out, because it does cross that plane. So I guess you're going to be getting out anyway, hopefully, unless you like to be marshmallowed inside the car. But we'll do a little test real quick. I still got, I don't know, just a little bit here. A couple pieces of paper worth in there that I can still maneuver in there. But I do have a fire extinguisher now mounted in the chevelle. This was something I do usually on most vehicles when they get kind of crazy, and I have not done that on this car yet, which I'm shocked, to be honest. But Now we got some safety in here. I know it's just a little tiny fire extinguisher, but it gives me a warm and fuzzy, you know. So fire protection in the Chevelle. Wasn't that hard. This thing was 25 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next project. Action. It's fire. I just wake up and piss excellence, and I want to go fast.
You're not first, you're last.
I was high when I said that. Did real good. Car ran real good.